Well, we're working on a very difficult song, are we not? The girl from Ipanema. The verses are pretty cool. It's the bridge. And so what I'm going to do a play along for all of you to play along on the bridge very, very slowly. It's going to take a year to get through it. And I just want to point out on the last line of the bridge, we have an E minor 7 to an A9 to a D minor 7 to a G9. Forms that we're becoming more and more familiar with. Bravo, brava. But we got to do a little finagling here to match the melody line. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. Find my key. But each day when she walks to the sea, she looks straight ahead, not at he. So we don't have too much dissonance with that melody. So we're going E minor 7. But each day when she walks to the... Now I'm going to do that 9 form, but I'm moving 1 fret to the headstock. It's a B flat 9th chord to slide up to the A9. C, D minor 7. She looks straight ahead, not at he. G flat to a G9. Let's try that together. 2, 3. But each day when she walks to the sea, she looks straight ahead, not at he. Wow! Okay, let's try just the bridge. Nice and slow. 1. Find your C sharp major 7. You're going to have dreams about this. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, but he watches so sadly. Can he tell her he loves her? Yes, he would give his heart gladly. But each day when she walks to the sea, she looks straight ahead, not at him. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, but he watches so sadly. How can he tell her he loves her? Yes, he would give his heart gladly. But each day when she walks to the sea, she looks straight ahead, not at he. Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes he smiles, but she doesn't see. Whoa, we're getting to learn some chord forms here, whether we like it or not.